Uh, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining in. It's almost like Friday uh, now that we have a long weekend. But does it feel so? Uh, we don't know, but why are we here? We are here to bid farewell to one of the longest-serving uh, analytics COE employees, Mr. Ashutosh Verma, popularly known as Ashu. He has had an unmatchable repo throughout his career, very humble and helpful personality, and one who has always had an assuring presence. Whenever you have any questions around Grasp, you know whom to reach out to. And for me personally, he has been a mentor, a guide, a great friend, colleague, teacher, and a fellow Clemson Tiger. Although it is difficult to see him go, but we are happy that he's pursuing his dreams. I think for his farewell, uh, it would be great to have someone uh, being the MC for the entire farewell who has spent the most time with Ashu as his friend, as his fellow field engineer, as his roommate, as a flatmate, and partner in crime. So, with that, I would like to welcome Ronak to be the MC for the farewell event. Ronak, over to you.
Hello everyone. Hope everyone is having a good afternoon and enjoying lockdown. Uh, to begin with, I think this will be a pretty much standard farewell. But before everyone starts saying something about Ashu, which I don't know how much will be true, but yeah,
Nobody feels it on farewells actually, so it's fine.
I hope everything spoken is true. The truth about here. We have a small video prepared by Romit that will be showing you all. So, Shaw, if you could just go ahead and play the video for him. I hope he cries. In true fashion, we are having some technical difficulties.
Where is Ujjwal? Where is Ujjwal?
I'm here, dude. It's working now.
Ujjwal, why is your video turned off today as well? Did you not took a bath today as well?
I think it's not a secret anymore.
Most of the week, Ujjwal, you can take at least one bath.
I'm saving water.
COVID crisis, water crisis, Ujjwal.
You can see the transformation in physique.
Did this also have some sound?
Yes, it did.
Yes, it does, but maybe it is streaming on WebEx, that's why.
Yeah, we can hear
No problem.
the grass slowly.
I have never seen some of these pictures. Believe me, even I haven't. Yeah, this is actually. Favorite.
Like,
Yeah.
इससे पता चलता है how much you have eaten.
Yeah. How did you get my selfie, Rohit? Thank you, Romit, for sharing such beautiful memories. I'll tell you some facts about those pictures later, but yeah, some behind the scenes. But before that, I would like to call Max to say some words about us.
Okay, thanks. Thanks, Ronak. Okay, I'm already out of my words. What to say? The only power gen engineer from my team is leaving today, and guess what? I don't have power in my house since morning. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So personally, I have known Ashu for last 7 years, and when I look back at the path that we have covered together, I personally get a great sense of accomplishment, as well as I'm a little sad that, not little, I'm actually sad that Ashu is leaving us now. So I joined AIG exactly 8 days after Ashu did. So basically we did our trainings all together. So, but during training hours, until we had ER breakout, we never spoke to each other, and I was not really knowing about Ashu in those days, but when we got together for those ER trainings, that's when I got to hear about Ashu, that uh, about his personality, to be very honest. And most of the comments that I had from those days are from Ronak, his best friend, and Rumi. So he always used to say some facts about Ashu, which I never believed, but now I'm forced to believe, and I think I agree with Ronak on all of them. Yeah. Uh, so okay. Uh, I really got to know about Ashu's strengths sometime during 2014, 2015, I would say, when he was selected as grasp champion. And yeah, we had our test, we had some interview, various things to select that grasp champion. And Ashu came out of that, out of nowhere. We never expected that Ashu will come out as a grasp champion, but he did. And he did a great job in managing that role and responsibility. And I think at the same time, he was also selected for the pilot batch of Clemson. And I think that really made me think how brilliant is this guy and how easily he can take up multiple responsibilities. By end of 2015, we had a restructuring. Yeah, he moved out of Power Gen team. He joined the South and Canada team when the restructuring happened. And I was really happy to have Ashu in my team, because my team was basically a bunch of freshers: Madhuri, Parjanya, Megha, Akash, Shaw. We had Ankit, who had just joined in as well. So other than Ashu, Nikunj, and Sirisha, it was all freshers. And I think I was pretty much reliant on Ashu, Nikunj, and Sirisha to run the show at that point of time. And I must say, Ashu did a great job in mentoring these new folks, and I must thank Ashu for that. So if you can look around today and see Megha, Arjanya, Shaw, they're all around. So if you see the accomplishments that they're making, I think a large chunk of credit goes to Ashu. And yeah, thank you, Ashu, for that. Uh, then he was selected for FE role when we rolled out opportunity once again. And I must say, it's the most appropriate role for Ashu. So he had all the key skill sets that's required for a field engineer. He can talk about any topic for hours very confidently, and it's not just bluffing, right? So he knows the facts. He's technically very solid in that area, and I think he was a very right fit for that role. Uh, and I think we have always had very great feedbacks about his reports. I won't talk about that, but I must acknowledge they are always with very great quality, and no matter what, even if it is sent on a last day, literally on the last working day, but I must say they're all with very good quality and technically a very solid report that he generates. So, and I just received a note from Danny yesterday, and he mentioned I think Ashu will be a great asset to the new company that he is moving and a great loss to AIG. I think I totally agree with Danny on that. Uh, okay, talking about personal side, I think I don't need to talk about it. Everyone knows he's a very big foodie. So I think I will miss our with Ashu. I think we were all dependent on Ashu to finish off all the excess that we had ordered. So we can always be reliant. Yeah, if Ashu is there, we can always finish off everything that we have in our plates. Uh, Talking about other things, I think he's very good at sports. If there is a sports quiz being rolled out, I think he's the first one to pick it up and send out the answers. Um, I think I have already talked about, he can talk about any single topic for hours. If you look at his cubicle, there is always a bunch of people surrounding him, talking to him on various topics, and that discussion would go on for hours. And at times, Raji would pass by and she would back, and once she's going back again, still the discussion is on. So that's how it is. So yeah, uh, I think he's a great mentor, a great asset that we had, and probably a very good person who had very sound knowledge of technical things as well as from underwriting side. The only fellow in my team who is living, only PowerGen team member who is living. So I think it's a great loss to us, but I hope Ashu has made the very right decision of moving out for that new profile that he always wanted to have. So I must congratulate Ashu. Congrats, Ashu, on your new role and all the best. And thank you for all the efforts that you have put in. Thank you.
Thanks, Jack.
Words. And now, moving forward to the next candidate who will be speaking something about Ashu is Ankur.
Ronak.
Hi, Ankur.
Just hold on. So there. Can you hear me? Okay, your voice is little low. Okay. So hi, Ashu. So basically, you have not only grown physically in these past 7 years, you've also grown as a person. So it is 7 years, is it, Ashu, or a few more months?
6 or 10 months, yeah, almost.
Okay, it's almost 7 years. So I've seen your journey from a mentee to a mentor, from a fresher to a technical expertise in AIG. And I've known you more as a friend rather than as a manager, because my association with you has been more on as a friend throughout and less as a manager. So a few things that I want to share about you. So from my initial experience, and that went on, I would say, for years, my initial impression about you was that you were a very, and which you are, a very calm, composed person. And I always thought of you as a kind of a gentleman, like a true gentleman. But only at later stages, when I started interacting more with people like Ronak, Ujjwal, and even Hank, I got to know a lot more things about you, especially that you are one of the biggest prankster and especially a leg puller, because I got to know feedback like people are scared to go out on dinner when Ashu is there, because and I was like, no, that cannot be Ashu. You might be talking about someone else. But then I realized, yeah, that's Ashu that people are kind of scared of in a funny way. So which is interesting. And then uh, you definitely has been one of our best assets. You were employee of the year for us, and that has been fantastic. And even you just brought out a joke from Lags, which was very interesting. I was not expecting that. when he joked about power not being in his house. So you can bring the best out of people, which is unexpected, which is very interesting. You
I
will
think you
miss
should hang out with Dax also. He's the same way.
Oh, is it? Is it? Chupa rastam. So we will miss you, Ashu, and you are one of those very few Delhiites which we had from starting, and very few those who understand the ethics of Delhi. I will keep Ronak out for some reason. He knows a lot. Maybe he has a lot of friends from Delhi, so that's why. So last of your kind, and a lot of them have left, and now you are also going. You will be missed. You will be dearly missed. I think all of us had a great time, and especially you being that center of attraction of that team, Northeast team, and everyone coming to your desk. Not only Northeast team, I think teams across the teams. All the people coming to you. So definitely, and I'm pretty sure when we go back with you and Madri going, that bay will never be the same. Of course, it will not be. And I just want to wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and we will be in touch. And all the best, Ashu. Thank you, Ronak.
Thank you, Ankur. We really spoke the truth, to be very honest. Now moving on to our next participant is Romit. So can we have Romit on the call, please?
Hey, sure, thank you. Am I audible all right?
Yeah, Romit, you're audible.
Okay. To be honest, guys, I did not want to give a speech today as I have never given one to any of the power team members who have left in the past. But the only reason I'm doing it because Ashu is the last one to leave from that group after Arjun, Nikunj, and Nikhilesh. And this I'm pretty sure is making him feel a little lonely. And also, Ashu has been persuading me since 1 week to do this. So finally, I have given up and I have agreed to speak. Going back, the memory lane. The first memory I can think of Ashu is the day I joined AIG in 2014. I remember a 6 feet tall giant welcoming me to the team. His persona did not suit his physique because he appeared as a very soft person. And that was the first surprise I had from him. I never knew this guy was going to surprise me more in the coming years. Since then, in 2014 till today, I have known this guy more and more with each passing year. And I consider it a pleasure to be associated with him both personally and professionally. I'm certain that most of the people on the call know Ashu well, but by the time I finish my speech, you all will know him better. I really, really want to bring you all the traits this guy possesses, both good and bad.
Thanks for the speech, next speaker.
Trust me, you will fall in love with this guy. So first I'll start with his easygoing attitude. This man can get along with every human on this planet, be it of any kind, any nature. Anyone who has interacted with him would agree how easygoing and receptive this guy is. Even if there exists a person whom the whole of mankind hates, I'm sure Ashu would be friends with that person too. This quality, trust me, is a blessing to have, Ashu. Second, his brain. He may appear as a lazy sloth bear, which is in fact true, but at the same time, he has got one of the sharpest brains around. He does not exhibit that enough, but I can assure you, you can go out to him for anything and everything, and you will never come back disappointed. Third thing that I want to talk about is his dirty mind. While he has a face of a cute, innocent boy, his head is filled with filth, literally filth. He is owner of one of the most dirtiest minds on the floor, and he can come up with a double meaning for anything that one could say. So think twice, think actually twice before you invite him home to meet your parents. Fourth thing that I wanted to talk about is his soul. He's somebody who values relationships more than ego and self pride. He is the binding force between people in all the groups he is a part of. He brings out the best in people, and I'm sure there would not be anyone on the call today who dislikes him for anything. Just think about the cubicle on the floor, which is always surrounded by people, and you'll realize what I'm saying. The next is something that everybody knows, his eating and drinking habits. He is a Zomato on legs for us. If you want to order food, call Ashu. If you want to go out, call Ashu. If you want to know the best cuisine at a place, call Ashu. If you want to know the best restaurant in the city, call Ashu. There isn't a single restaurant or pub this guy hasn't been to in Bangalore. And trust me, this is true. Now, as far as drinking habits are concerned, this guy can drink beer like water, literally water, and he can keep on going the whole night. So, if there is someone other than Nikunj who amuses me, that is Ashu for sure. So, if you are going out for drinks with Ashu, you better be prepared, guys. The last quality that I would talk about, which I hate the most about him, is the timeliness. If I challenge everybody on the call to tell me one single day you have seen Ashu reach office on time, I'm sure nobody will be able to. While everybody had a 1 to 10 shift, this guy had a 2 to 10 shift. And he never utilized the transport, the office transport. He has given half of his salary to the Uber. I'm pretty sure about that as well. So no matter how important the task is, he will never be on time. So if you guys are stuck with some emergency, never ever call this guy for help. He will never be there on time. Trust me. I have had 7 years of experience in this. So Ashu, this is all I wanted to say about you officially. There is a lot that I would have said had it been over drinks. Officially, only this much I could jot down in the last 1 hour. And all the managers on the call, this is what I was doing throughout the manager meeting. I did not listen to anything that you guys spoke. This is what kept me occupied throughout. So, Ashu, before I end my speech, just wanted to say, not just you, with the whole group, I have had such great memories that a lifetime would not be enough to cherish it. You have actually felt me, actually make me feel like family. You might be just leaving AIG, Ashu, but you are not leaving me. All the best.
Thank you, Madhu. Thanks.
Thank you, Romit. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful, truthful speech. Ashu just has sent me 500 rupees to tell everyone that what you said was lie. But no,
I'll Paytm it right now.
everything what he said was true. So thank you, Romit, for the true picture of Ashu. And now moving on, we have Ash who will speak few words for Ashu. Ash, are you there? I think after Romit's speech, he left.
I was just wondering.
I think a lot of people I can see.
Yeah, I think that's a package. I've never been aware of Ashu as. So thanks, Romit, for doing that. And honestly, guys, I'm really I don't know what to say about Ashu. I mean, first of all, his name is Ashutosh. So I'm already falling in love with that name. I've been Ashutosh throughout my life. And this guy, if you ask me, maybe I haven't had a lot of interaction with him directly. But, when I look at him, there is a term very easily used today, but people don't hardly know the meaning of that. It's called bliss. Bliss is something which is beyond happiness, something which is beyond, getting impacted by things, something where the person is already in a nirvana stage, or maybe somebody who is already enjoying heaven. So that's what I feel about Ashu looking at from, at him. You throw anything at him, you throw anything, whether it's good or bad, whether you say, Ashu, you need to do it, he will nod his head anyway. And he will do it also. The manager probably need to chase him a bit, but you can be 120% sure that this guy will do it. I've never seen Ashu. Probably, I would say he's a pillar of strength. I mean, he has inspired me as well. I know a lot of areas and a lot of situations where there have been discussion around Ashu, and starting from Grass Champion, I remember the times when we were actually eagerly looking for somebody who we wanted to send outside. It never happened, guys, honestly. But who would have been our Grass Champion representing us in a forum, which never happened. But I think so you can trust him for anything and everything. Unlike what Romit said, I'm not sure other side, but I can trust a person like Ashu because I know that he will be delivering it by the day it is expected to be. I mean, you might probably need to chase him down. He might seem that okay, oh, he'll never do it. But this is a guy whom you can trust 120%. At least I feel that I can trust him, something which I do give it to him to do. And managers might disagree. So I always have that confidence with him. And I think I will come to name because that's the area I probably started noticing. Ashutosh means, I don't know whether people know what Ashutosh means. Ashutosh is a name of Lord Shiva. And the attribute goes with his name is somebody who is always happy or who is always in a condition of bliss. And it's not me, guys, it's Ashutosh right there. It's not Ash. So I really feel, Ashu, I think the greatest quality you have with you is, you are always in that condition where you don't, nothing can impact you or affect you. It seems to me that way. And you take things in your stride, you use your, all the abilities when it comes to, you put 120% of yourself when you're being chased down and you deliver it and you give answers to anyone and everyone, who is wondering about what Ashu is. So, you're a wonderful person. You have been wonderful. Since 2013, I heard stories about how you eat, and I got to know more about you today from Romit. Again, that's surprising news for me. I never heard that you have a sense of humor, where you can crack jokes, which probably under the belt. So that's interesting knowing you. And the only thing I can say, I think it's going to be a big loss for AIG. Leaving you and Madri again, going back to back. And I just wish you all the best. As I discuss with you that this world is very small. I say it always. This is my parting word to anyone leaves AIG or anywhere for that matter. We would be always a family, and we will be staying connected. Whenever you think I can do anything for you. Please feel free, and 120% sure about your success wherever you go, Ashu. So all the best to you. Do great wherever you go, and stay in touch. Take good care of yourself. Ronak, over to you.
Thank you, Ash. Thank you once again. Ashu, I would have given you the floor now for your speech. Which you have been preparing for last 2 weeks. Before you go, a special request. Someone else would like to speak few words about you. I hope it's again the truth. Over to Nikunj. So Nikunj is from Dubai. He will be saying some few words about him.
Thank you, Ronak. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank Ash and Romit for allowing me to be a part of this. I'll try to keep it short and quick. Ashutosh Verma. I don't know whether he's lovingly called as Ashu or rather lazily. I would prefer it's being lazily is called as Ashu. So I have known him since July 1st, 2013, when we both joined AIG as colleagues. I did not realize back then that this colleague will one day turn into a friend and family. Our bond of friendship was started by AIG and at AIG, but is definite to extend beyond AIG. I'm sure of that. One thing I must say of many things which I would like to imbibe from Ashu is his calm attitude. He has great control over his emotions, and I have never seen him lose his temper. A great quality to have in the corporate setup.
Yeah, true.
On the other hand, I have also never heard him say no to food. Like that's all I am able to speak right now. So all the very best, Ashu, for your future endeavors. Thank you for being such a wonderful colleague. Friendship continues.
Yeah. Thank you. So,
Ronak.
Oh yeah. Hello, yeah, Romit.
Ronak, do not let him speak until he turns the video on.
Yeah, I think it's on. Yeah, yeah. He was really excited to present himself on the video. I'm telling you,
My video isn't on.
it's on our show. I think.
Yes, it's
Yeah,
on. We
it
can
is.
see you.
The video is visible.
Yeah.
It's on. It's on.
So
Come
Ashu,
on,
go ahead.
Rohit.
The floor is all on you. Share your kind words for everyone.
Come on. Thanks. I'm finding all this a bit difficult to digest. I'm not used to hearing so many good things at one go. So yeah, thanks Ash, Ankur, Lax, Romit, Nikunj for being so generous with your words. And I'd just like to say it feels like yesterday that we walked into the CU in 2013 and we were attending Bruce's sessions and Ash, Ankur, Venkat and Harsh also with us. And it was just such a unique time straight out of college and meeting so many people who were also out of college and attending these very unique training sessions and bonding over fun activities and fun Fridays and whatnot. So who knew that it will be 6 years and 10 months by the time we got over all this euphoria? But it's been an amazing ride. So a lot of people that I'd like to thank, and this might be a bit long, so guys, brace yourselves. Please. So first person is Ash. Ash, thank you for all the opportunities, all the mentoring, all the learning. And I think a lot of our interaction was based on the, I think the GRASP UAT is a integral part of my journey at EIT. I think I've interacted with a lot of people over it, and I remember me, you, and Anne discussing a lot of workarounds, a lot of integration issues, a lot of back and forth defects, and I think it was a memorable time. Not the easiest, but the memorable time, of course. And I'd like to thank you for that. And then moving on to Ankur, my first interaction with Ankur was during my AIG interview. This was in April 2013, actually. So he was the first person, one of the first people from AIG that I met, Ankur and Uday. So, and coincidentally, we shared the same university for undergrad, and then now we're also Tiger. So it's a nice coincidence to have. And as I mentioned, it's always been like a friend. Ankur has not been my manager for the longest time, but we've always known each other since 2013, and it's been a very nice interaction to have. So thank you, Ankur, for everything. And then, of course, Lax. Lax has been my reporting manager for the longest period now. I think we started out in 2016, and it's 2020 now. And Lax is amazing to work with. I think he makes everything very easy. Including be it work, he gives you a free hand, he lets you do your own thing. And I always appreciate whatever Lax has done for me in this team, and thank you, Lax, for that. And I've had a lot of memories with a lot of people here. So next person who I can think of is Ank. Again, my first interaction when I started out with the UAT was again me, Ank, and the whole core team that was there. And we used to have those late night UAT calls and training sessions and everything. And I think our interaction led to a lot of a great friendship also. And then I remember all those dinners that we have. I think Ronak, you and I, every Friday, I think those were very memorable. So Bangalore Mandarin will always have a special place in my life after this. The next person I'd like to thank is Mani. I mean, with Mani, I think being part of the pilot Clemson batch, Mani is very inspirational. I think he does so much and he manages so many things. I think it's very inspiring to me. One incident that I recall is one of our assignments. Me and Ankita were discussing one assignment that we had to submit the next day, and we were thinking who would have done it. And I think Mani had a very urgent personal commitment also. So we thought that he might not have. And then a few minutes later, all of us were copying Mani's assignment. So thanks, Mani, for everything. And yeah, I'm glad we're Clemson Tigers and we're part of the same batch. The next person, obviously, Romit. Thank you so much for the very generous and very nice speech. I can't really put into words because of the interactions and all those memories that we have. It's very difficult. As you said, it's more than work. The workplace, I think it's more like a family. So I'd just like to thank you, and rest assured we'll always stay in touch. Then Saket sir, Saket sir, also again, it's difficult to put into uh, mention kind of moments that we've shared throughout our journey at AIG, and he's been such an inspiration and such. I've learned so much from him, be it technical or be it about life. I'd just like to say a big thank you for being part of my AIG journey, and again, uh, we will be staying in touch. And then Shivaji. One of my first interactions with Shivaji, I think, was when we went out to play badminton, and you and Rahul were there, and I thought it was a great game, and thought we could win the badminton championship. But then Saket sir had other ideas, so yeah, that was that. And another day that I really remember is when we met at Nikunj's place. So that was also a memorable experience. Now coming back to batch of 2013 and let's say 2013.5, because Karthik has also been an integral part of our group. And I'd start off with Karthik. Honestly, one of my favorite memories with Karthik would be PLPA 2017 and those Black Friday lines. So that was an amazing trip. I'm sure Karthik has amazing memories also. And I'd just like to say thank you for being a very good friend. And somehow he's just part of whatever trips that we managed to undertake. And thank you for inviting me to your wedding also, even though you didn't invite me, but yeah. Okay. Then the next person is Ujjwal. With Ujjwal, I think one of my first interactions was in 2014. I think we were doing some UAT exercise, and I didn't know that I'd become one of his good friends or that we'd hang around for so long. But I'm glad that we got to share a few days over field trips and our work assignments coincided. And those 9 days in London, I think, with you and Karthik would be one of the highlights of my field engineering days. And again, me, you, and Ronak also got to attend a communication skills training in Dallas with Bruce. So that is again one of my highlights that I'll always remember from my time at EIG. So thanks, Uj. And then I remember Ashish. He's not there. I'm not sure if he's on the call or not, but Ashish also goes by his more popular name, which is Bansal. So our best connection was obviously because we were both from Delhi, so we kind of bonded over that, and then gradually being part of AER, we used to sit in a particular space where Ashish and I were just neighbors. So gradually we started talking, and then we became great friends. I think the best thing about Ashish is he's so simple and he's just very approachable. And again, he can talk about anything and everything. So he's the wise man or the old guy of our group. So I always appreciate whatever he brings to the table. Then Nikhilesh was part of the Power Gen team initially. Now he's moved on, obviously. But he was one of my first friends at AIG. And I'm also looking forward to meeting him in the future career path. So with Nikhilesh, he's very inspirational. I mean, he can also handle so much, and the way he's handled the past year with the new challenge and the way he smoothly carried it. It was very inspirational to see. And thank you, Nikhilesh. Then Nikunj, obviously, Nico, I'd like to thank Nikunj for the generous words and just for being such an inspiration. Again, you can learn so much from Nikunj with his timeliness, with his technical knowledge, and the way he's carrying the banner at Dubai. So again, another inspirational figure. And last but not the least, Ronak. I think I've spent maximum amount of time, if it was to be with a person, I think it would be Ronak. And it's been an amazing journey. I think we've known each other since 2013. We've been flatmates, and I think we have so many memories that if I start talking, it will take another WebEx meeting. But it's just been amazing, and thank you for being a part of my AIG journey. And that's the best part. I think AIG has introduced us to so many nice people that it's really difficult to summarize this journey into a few words. And that's the best thing about people that compliance can't stop you from taking your friends with you. I mean, they can keep all the documents and everything, but you can always take your friends. So that is one thing that I'm thankful for. My journey at AIG, it's been amazing. It's been filled with so many nice people, and it's been absolutely amazing. And lastly, a big shout out to the South US and Canada team from who I've been part of since 2016. I think it's been amazing working with all of you. And thank you for the wonderful farewell that you organized yesterday also. It was such a pleasure, and you guys had such nice things to say. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Aren't you crying?
Yeah, when I was thinking he was crying. He should cry, I think. Ashu, you spent.
Ro.
The thing is,
I'm trying to poke myself in the eye. Give me a second.
So we would have ended up
very happy. There was
samosas.
Nice memories. So yeah.
You're saying something, Ashu?
I'm just saying, I'm so happy. I mean, when I revisited all these memories, that it really did not occur to me that I have to cry. But thanks for reminding. I'll do that in a.
Generally, we would have ended the meeting, Ashu, with samosas and jalebis to tribute to your.
Yeah, I know.
But we can't. Just a few words from my side. As we have spent almost a lot of time together with each other. I don't know how many hours. And I have seen I will not speak much because almost everyone has covered everything about you. But I have seen every side of you. Even though we were two very different persons, I never knew I could bond so well with someone. I have seen just few facts about it. I have seen him brush his teeth at 4 p.m. in the evening. I have cooked 8 packets of Maggi with him. Yes, 8 packets because he thought 4 was not enough for 2 of us in a pressure cooker. I have traveled to Jaipur, Gokarna, Manchester, whatnot, and we have shared some amazing moments. And just to let you know that he has he's suffering from severe FOMO. So sorry for that. And for those who don't know what FOMO is, fear of missing out. Once me and Bansal were clicking a selfie in the desert of Rajasthan, he jumped from a camel just to add himself in the picture. So he's that kind of. It's very difficult, Ashu, to say goodbye to you. And for me, you at AIG, you were my favorite hello, even though it was at 2 p.m. And you are my hardest goodbye. And with that, thank you for all the memories, Ashu, and wishing you all the luck for the future.
Thanks, Arnab.
Okay, guys, I think we have come to the end. Thank you for joining us for the farewell. Thank you for your time. See you when the lockdown ends, and I shall meet you when the next bar opens. Bye-bye.